Once your students have created their Tomplay account from your invite and are marked as active in your profile, you can start sharing folders with them. This is a great way to keep different student groups or grades organized with their corresponding scores. To share a folder, first create it, give it a name, and add the scores you want. Then from here, simply share the folder with the students of your choice. On their app, students will find the shared folder by going to Profile, My Teachers, and selecting your name. Then the shared folder will also appear directly under My Scores. From there, students can manage it with the same options as their own folders, including folder actions and settings. This way, you and your students stay organized and always work with the right scores in Tomplay. Please note that to access the full Tomplay catalog of pieces, both the teacher and the students need to have an active Tomplay Premium subscription.